What's pushing its price up? Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Have you ever wondered why the price of Bitcoin keeps rising? This isn't just market speculation, there are concrete reasons behind this bullish trend. In this in-depth analysis, we will explore the multiple factors that are driving the price of Bitcoin and why 2024 could be a crucial year for this cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is set to be a significant topic in the upcoming presidential election, and its role in the global economy is expanding. But what exactly is driving its price higher? Let's discover together the investment thesis for Bitcoin in 2024. U.S. monetary policy has been in a state of flux. Despite tight monetary conditions, we are seeing new all-time highs for Bitcoin. As we get closer to the presidential election, there is significant pressure on the government to stimulate the economy. This likely means more money printing and efforts to boost the stock market, which could have a huge positive impact on Bitcoin prices. Historically, when governments inject money into the economy, assets like Bitcoin, perceived as stores of value, tend to benefit significantly. The functionality of Bitcoin is expanding. With the advent of native Bitcoin assets and technologies like Taproot and Lightning Labs, Bitcoin is evolving beyond a simple store of value. These advances mean that Bitcoin can now do everything other cryptocurrencies can do, but with greater security and decentralization. This absorption of features from other cryptocurrencies should consolidate Bitcoin's dominance in the market. Countries like El Salvador and the United Arab Emirates are becoming Bitcoin-friendly zones. El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender set a precedent, and other countries will likely follow suit. Dubai, in particular, is becoming a hotspot for cryptocurrency investments, which bodes well for the global adoption of Bitcoin and, consequently, its price. The introduction of Bitcoin ETFs is another important factor. These financial instruments allow institutional investors to enter the Bitcoin market without having to directly deal with the complexities of owning Bitcoin. As more ETFs are approved and launched, we can expect a significant influx of capital into Bitcoin. This institutional interest can drive prices higher as demand increases. Geopolitical tensions, particularly between the United States and China, make Bitcoin an attractive alternative for countries looking to protect themselves from economic uncertainty. Countries that do not want to rely too much on one of the two major global powers are turning their interest to Bitcoin as a neutral asset, which could further increase demand and prices. Currently, Bitcoin is performing well despite macroeconomic headwinds. However, these headwinds will likely turn into tailwinds as the global economic landscape changes. The potential easing of U.S. monetary policy, along with the factors mentioned above, could lead to unprecedented all-time highs for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's market cap could surpass that of gold, which is around $11 trillion. This scenario would bring the price of Bitcoin to around $650,000 per coin. Given increased institutional interest and global adoption, this seems like a plausible base case scenario. In a scenario where Bitcoin sees a 100x increase from its November 2022 low, around $15,500, we could see prices rise to around $1.5 million per coin. This optimistic outlook takes into account massive institutional purchases and significant global adoption. Even in a less optimistic scenario, where Bitcoin faces some adoption challenges and regulatory hurdles, a high around $250,000 to $350,000 per Bitcoin is still realistic. This would still represent substantial growth from current levels, but would not reflect the full potential that many see in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is set to be a major issue in the 2024 presidential election. Candidates are increasingly recognizing the importance of the cryptocurrency sector, which has a significant voter base. This voter base, disillusioned by the hostile policies of the past, is ripe for capture by any candidate willing to adopt a pro-Bitcoin stance. Institutions like BlackRock and companies following MicroStrategy's lead are giving Bitcoin enormous credibility and demand. For example, Japanese firm MetaPlanet is mimicking MicroStrategy's strategy of using low-interest loans to purchase Bitcoin, highlighting a growing trend of enterprise-level Bitcoin adoption. As more companies and institutional investors enter the market, the price of Bitcoin will likely see significant upward pressure. 2024 could be the year Bitcoin truly transforms the financial landscape. With favorable monetary policies, increasing global adoption, technological advancements, and significant institutional interest, the price of Bitcoin is poised for a potential increase. Whether base case, optimistic or pessimistic, Bitcoin is set to outperform most other assets. In summary, the rise in Bitcoin price is supported by a combination of macroeconomic factors, technological advancements, and growing global adoption. As these trends converge, we could witness one of the most significant cycles in Bitcoin history. With that said, thank you for reading our analysis on Bitcoin in 2024. We hope that this information has given you a clear view of the forces that are driving the price of this cryptocurrency and the opportunities that may arise. Don't miss the next crypto flight. Thanks for joining us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news from the crypto world and not miss a single crypto adventure, hit that "Follow Me" button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.